heartwarming kung ganyan yung concern ng magulang mo. Yes, ma'am.
Evidence offer to provide security for you in case your current security will be pulled out.
Yes, nagpapasalamat ako, ma'am, sa Moro National Liberation Front, MNLF, sa kanilang offer na tulungan ako sa security. But right now, meron na akong mga kaibigan na gumagawa ng paraan kung paano gawin ang aking security in case na magkakaproblema talaga kami with the armed forces of the Philippines, particularly the unit ng Presidential Security Command.